Well, we were meant to be working this afternoon, but it's just too wet, especially for the job I had in mind. Said in previous videos, guys, we don't mind a bit of bad weather, but sometimes you just can't be bothered to work in this. So we're doing some work in the workshop. Hi guys, I just want to share with you an example of why me and Mike keep buying the same type of lawnmower. We like to use the lawn flight mowers because they've got rollers on the back, and a lot of our customers like the stripes. What's happened yesterday, early on in the season, is that the gearbox has failed in the rear roller of our mower. So anyway, I'll just show you. It's on the workbench here. Michael's already took the roller off and the gearbox, and it's a Cas mower, which I've actually had this one quite a long time now. I don't know how many years, but quite a long time. Just come into our workshop. Mike can explain this better than me.
I've literally, the roller just literally locked into place yesterday. So I've took it apart to try and find what's gone on. And the cog in here is all broken off. Well, not all broken off, but broken off. And it's left little bits of metal in. And this was an absolute nightmare to get off here. So there's a load of metal. So I don't know whether it's come off that and it's just locked everything in. So
something's sheared in there.
Yeah.
And then it becomes kind of counterproductive, doesn't it? Then you got bits of metal in there and they all get into the cogs.
Yeah, there was a chunk of metal in the cog here, which I took out. So.
Yeah. So anyway, we've got an older lawn flight in the barn, which we're using as a spares because the gearbox keeps leaking on it. Now, a new gearbox is like over £300. I think I just saw one in eBay. It was like £342. And to me, that's a big chunk of money towards a new lawnmower. So what are you going to do, Mike?
I'm going to take the gearbox off the other mower.
Yeah.
We've got the spares on, and I'm either going to replace just this part or the innards from the other one into this one because it doesn't leak.
As a business owner, I have to keep in mind that repairing this is taking up man hours where we could actually be on a job at the moment, you know, making chargeable hours. But I don't mind Michael spending half a day looking into this, and if he repairs it, it is a bonus. But I wouldn't want to keep doing this too many times because that money could be going towards a new lawnmower. So Mike's going to have a good go, aren't you, Mike?
Yeah, try my best.
Yeah. Mike's going to get the gearbox off the other lawnmower now, and we'll see how we get on. We've got two different gearboxes, haven't we, Mike? And they go to two different speeds, don't they?
Yeah.
You could just walk a bit faster if we use a slow one, couldn't you?
Walk a bit faster if you use the slower one?
Yeah, to make it go faster.
Yeah. Well, I think the only thing is I'm not too sure whether it's the same cog for that. Do you know what I mean? The cog might be this one.
That's what
this one might make it go
it?
quick, yeah. So this might not be the same as that.
I think you're probably better off taking everything out of there. Taking everything out of there, cleaning it.
And putting that stuff in there.
Then everything in there.
Okay.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not qualified mechanics, by the way.
No.
So yeah, do that then, mate.
Okay. So this needs to come out and all be clean then.
Yeah. So obviously, what comes out of there, just throw away because it's knackered. If you throw it away, there's no. We won't be tempted to stick it and use it again. Yeah, just take your time.
Okay.
Just take your time, and hopefully we'll have a new. Well, not a new gearbox, but a reconditioned one. Yeah, that's it, mate.
Can you lift up, mate?
You say higher or lower? Higher or lower?
Higher. Just to get the bottom.
Mike, is this bit worth videoing?
Not yet.
Right, this is the moment of truth. Michael's going to start the engine now. Or should I start it? Do you want to hold it steady?
Yeah, you can pull.
Better for me to do it on this side, isn't it? Lift it up. Michael's done it. But I'm Michael's assistant today because when we have gaps in time, sometimes I'll say to Michael, just have a go at that, see if you can work it out, and it gives him something to do. But every time he solves a problem, it just gets a bit easier, and it's a credit to my business as well, because it means he can sort of help save me a bit of money and yeah, save time as well, not just money. Save time taking it to be repaired and all that. So I've done a video on that in the past, just saying about that. And I'm not knocking down my local dealer, by the way. You know, I really respect my local dealer, and I always buy stuff from them because if I have any issues, they will sort it out straight away, especially the warranty side of it. But I know at this time of year, like the local dealer probably doesn't even want to see me because they've got all them customers that have sort of gone into their sheds at the start of the season. They haven't took the fuel out and done any sort of maintenance on their machines, and as soon as it doesn't start, they take them round to them and expecting them to fix them within a day. So yeah, they probably don't want to see me anyway at this time of year. Yeah. So you didn't tighten everything up, did you, Mike? We just wanted to make sure that rear roller worked.
Yeah, definitely.
And then we haven't put all the gearbox oil in either, have we? So you're going to do that as well.
Put the gearbox oil in and then just put it back together again.
Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully this is going to do us now for a good few months at least, I hope. Yeah, I was fine though when we fix stuff though. It's usually the start of the end, isn't it?
Yeah.
Once you get one problem, you then get another problem, don't you? Just later on.
Well, it tends to be these rollers anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah.
To be fair.
Yeah. What I would say is, you buy a machine with a rear roller. Obviously, they're more expensive as well because there's more parts to them. But all the lawn flights I've had, I've never had a Honda engine fail on me. It's always the bodies that break down, and the first thing to fail normally is the rear roller. And I would suggest that anybody who gets a lawn flight with a rear roller, or any mower with a rear roller, is to take it apart now and then and grease up all the cogs inside. Do you agree, Mike?
Yeah.
Especially in the summer, actually, when it's really dry and dusty, it can get very dry inside. So yeah, just you know, think about lubrication. But what's fine there, there's always been a gap here, isn't there, between the two rollers, and shit gets in there, doesn't it, Mike?
Yeah.
So makes you wonder why they can't do away with that gap. You know what I mean? You know when you go over the gravel, it gets in there sometimes, isn't it? And it traps. It's just a real pain, isn't it? I'm sure it's not like that on all mowers with rear rollers. Mike, do you want me to go and fetch some stuff out of the workshop, like the gear oil and all that? Gearbox oil.
Yeah, I need the socket.
Socket set. Alright. Hold on, Mike.
Oh, thank you. Glad it's done.
Yeah.
Back up to the 2 mowers again.
Yeah. We don't feel like we've wasted a day now either. It was good to get something done. So as usual, guys, if you like these videos, give us a like. And what else, Mike?
Subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment if you want to.
Well done, Mike. You did that well. See you in a bit. Bye for now.